Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you very much for joining. Today we've got some classic Bob Marley for you here. A little small axe. Love Bob Marley. Goes without saying, just great songwriter. A lot of amazing songs to play, and a lot of them don't have a whole lot of chords in it. So it's really great for beginners, intermediate players. You can pick up a lot of their songs. So go ahead and break down the rhythm, a little melody line I was playing there as well. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting that bell for notifications. Do greatly appreciate it. We also have a virtual tip jar in the form of a super thanks. You're more than welcome to click that if you want to as well. But again, thank you guys very much for being here. Like I said, we got a few things to go over. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, so this song, you can play it in a whole bunch of different keys. I'm playing it in D right now. I think the original album it was in D, and then I think they ended up switching it to E flat at some point. But I'm going to show you how I play it in D. So, and we're going to use bar chords here. You can play this with open chords as well. I really like the bar chords for reggae songs. So again, we've got a D, an A, an E. We've got a B minor in here in the intro part as well. Go ahead and break down the first piece here. So much fun to play. So starting here, it's doing this little melody line here. You don't have to play this line if you don't want to either. But so starting here on this 5th fret here of the D, sliding into the 7th, then going to the 4th of the G, and then the 6th of the G, and then from here you'll hop into your D chord. And that D, we're just barring the 5th and the 7th fret here, just your standard bar D chord there. So you're going to go to your A, and then that piece right there. So I'm still just playing an A. I think, yeah, I'm just playing an A there. But I'm focusing more on the high strings here. So the G, B, and E. You just want that three strum there. Okay. So after that 3 strum there on those high notes, you're going to go to the next line, which is virtually the same, but we're going to move it down a little bit here. And that's where our B minor comes into play. So all I did there, so we're on the D here, so 7th fret, 9th fret, 6th fret of the G into your B minor. Okay, and that B minor, barring 7th fret, ring finger is on the 9th of the A, pinky is on the 9th of the D. And that is your B minor there. All right, so let me go ahead and play through this slowly here. Okay, so that's the intro, and they'll come back to that. I guess the chorus, right? If you're the big tree, you're the small axe. Yeah. So for the verse, we have a D, A, E, and that's it. So the rhythm is where it gets a lot of people when it comes to the reggae stuff. I'm by no means a reggae expert, but I do know that to play reggae, you've got to play with a little bit of bounce, a little bit of feel. I like to think of I like to think of my fretting hands as bouncing a basketball a lot of the time. And that kind of helps because you're just bouncing these chords here, and then you're strumming hand. All right, so what really, I mean that's the entire verse, just the entire verse, playing that over and over. So I think the way that I haven't actually counted how many times I'm doing this here, but let's see here. All right, so for that D, looks like we're going to go 1, 2, so just 2. To the A. Same number of times here there. And then the E is going to be 4 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think the easiest way I can kind of explain this here. So we're doing the down strum, and then we're muting. So now I'm not pressing these chords. I'm not pressing this D chord down now, right? So the first time, all right, and that's 1 time through right there. So down strum. Then we've got muted down and up strum. So I think that's a good way of kind of starting it there. Just doing your and then you can also, once you get that rhythm down, then you can do less muting, I guess. So. that really is it. So you'll play that verse through, and then you'll come back to the intro piece. All right, guys, I really hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me any feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.